Imagine something deep beneath the ocean, far below where sunlight can reach. This is where giant squids live, and for the first time, humans have caught one on camera while it was still alive. Can you believe it? This squid is huge. Its body is twice as big as an adult man, and when you count its long, wiggly tentacles, it's over 8 meters long. That's longer than a school bus. Even more amazing, this squid isn't fully grown yet, which means it could get even bigger. A group of scientists and photographers gathered together, super excited to capture these rare moments. They hopped into a special submarine called a submersible that can dive deep underwater to places where no human can go. The submersible dove to about 200 meters, reaching an area called the dusk zone, where almost no sunlight shines through. It's so dark here, they had to use their own lights to see anything. While exploring the deep, something really cool swam past the camera. A long, thin, ribbon-like creature appeared, twisting and turning like a dance. This isn't just any worm, it's a special kind called a wiggling worm that can be tens of meters long, sometimes even longer than a football field. What's even more surprising? The worm isn't just one creature, it's actually made up of a bunch of tiny animals connected together, working as one big creature. They wiggle and twist without ever getting tangled up. Isn't that amazing? As they continued exploring, they saw something else float by. It looked like a glowing flower petal, but it wasn't a flower at all. It was a jellyfish. Its body was covered in tiny hairs that glowed like flashing lights on a building at night. But the jellyfish wasn't glowing because of magic. It was glowing because the submersible's lights were reflecting off its body. When the scientists turned off all the lights, the jellyfish started glowing on its own. How cool is that? Then, at 600 meters deep, something really strange appeared. It was a fish with a transparent head, meaning you could see through its head like a window. This fish, called a copper eye fish, has a clear skull so you can actually see its brain inside. Its big, watery eyes are also inside its clear head. Before this discovery, no one had ever seen this fish alive because its head is so fragile. If it gets caught in a fishing net, its brain would get damaged, so scientists never knew what it really looked like. Seeing this was a huge breakthrough for everyone. But this fish isn't just cool to look at, it's also a clever hunter. Most deep-sea creatures use bioluminescence, which means they glow, to hide or attract prey. But this trick doesn't work on the copper eye fish. Its super big eyes can see other creatures easily from far away. It sneaks up on its prey from below, and when it gets close, it turns its eyes and attacks with lightning speed. How sneaky is that? So, with these awesome discoveries, the scientists are helping us understand more about life in the deep, dark ocean. These animals may seem strange, but they have amazing abilities to survive in such a challenging environment. Stay tuned, because who knows what kind of underwater wonders we'll discover next. If you loved this deep-sea adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more about our incredible oceans.